arbitrationagreements.org. Did you know that, according to studies, the cost of arbitration can be, on average, 50 to 80% less than court litigation? Think of all the things you could do with those savings. Maybe a vacation, a new gadget, or even just tucking it away for a rainy day. Now, if we take a closer look, the cost of arbitration can vary based on several factors. Factors such as the complexity of the case, the number of parties involved, and the qualifications of the arbitrator play a role. But here's the fantastic news. Arbitration offers a streamlined process, which can lead to faster results and fewer expenses. Time is money, after all. You might be wondering, with such enticing benefits, where can one find a reliable source for arbitration services? Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. Our team is proud to say we are the top association in the country providing affordable arbitration services, resources, and programs. We've seen firsthand the immense benefits of choosing arbitration over traditional court litigation. Of course, you'll need specifics, and we get that. Remember, while costs can vary, one thing remains clear. Arbitration stands out as a cost-effective alternative to the traditional court system. When you choose arbitration, you are choosing efficiency, flexibility, and affordability. So please do not hesitate to visit arbitrationagreements.org. That's also where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you are interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which advantage of it is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.